Every business organization knows that data is its greatest asset, but complex data work is preventing them from getting real business value from it. JSON, VBA, SQL or Python is too difficult to understand and master for business team members. So they have to rely on data experts for data integration, modeling, transformation, and analysis. Unfortunately, data experts are very scarce and hiring them is quite expensive. In some cases, the time spent on data engineering can go up to 70% of the overall workload of data projects. We made a data tool named QuickTable for everyone. QuickTable provides connectors for local files, Google Sheet, major data warehouses, data lakes, object store, and ARPAs. As a result, you can access your data quickly and easily. QuickTable lets you build your data model interactively through drag and drop. You need not write complex SQL and Python. QuickTable can transform your data model to SQL and UDF that can run on your data warehouses. Team members can review, pick up, and reuse your complicated works anywhere and anytime. We can help you drive data processes, collaboration and decision-making, and influence operations at all levels.